Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva, and today I'm going to be doing some miracle knots in my hair. As you can see, I already braided my hair and I braided all the way down to the end, and that's because, you know, I'm trying something different. I'll let you guys know if I like this one or not. The hair I'm using today is from YWIGS, and let me tell y'all, when I say I love this hair, I love it. And I was so excited when I started to open up the pack and saw that I got 5 of them, 5 packs. So I decided to use more on my hair. Yes. So I did my little additional right here, how much it would be if I use 3 each on my hair or 4 on my hair. On the left is the calculation for 3, which shows that I would need 138 pieces. On the right is the calculation for 4, which means I'm gonna be needing 184 pieces. With the hair, they also sent me these alligator clips and the crochet needle to put the, you know, the hair into my hair. And this is what the hair look like. Y'all, do you see them waves? Let me tell you, man, the moment I saw that it was wavy, I was already excited. But when I saw that I got 5, I was even more excited because I know I could do my hair and make it more full. Another thing I want to point out, and I had to, is the smell of the hair. The hair smelled so good. Like, I was just flashing my hair. I had it in a ponytail, just flashing it left and right just so I could catch the smell every second I get. But anyway, this is what the hair looked like. I'm gonna go ahead and start, and I'm gonna be putting 4 pieces on each of them. Usually when I do it, I put 3 pieces, but I want it full, and because it's not curly, it's wavy, I feel like 4 would do the job, and it did. So I made the biggest mistake ever doing this style, and y'all know when I do this style I would, you know, braid a piece at the end of it, but I did not do it with this one, and it turns out not the best idea. And I believe it's because of the length of my hair, because I see people do it like that and it looks okay, but for me it wasn't the best. But I like this hair so much, so when I'm taking it out, I'm not gonna be cutting it. I'm gonna save it to do my hair again. I'm thinking I'll do my hair with it for my birthday because that's how much I love this hair. Y'all, from the moment I did the first one, I knew this hairstyle was going to eat. Also, I must mention that I mapped out the entire hairstyle for you guys. So if you want to do your hair exactly the way I did it, same pattern, same parting, same amount of everything, I got you. It's gonna be at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned, or if you want to just skip past everything, that's totally up to you and go straight to it. Yeah, but I have it all mapped out for you. Just don't skip through the video and miss any important details, and then ask it down below in the comment, because I see that happens all the time and people replying like, you didn't watch the video. So if you think there are things you might need to know and I might be dropping them in the video, I'm not gonna, you know, tell you to skip through, but hey, y'all watch my videos all the time. You must know what you want to know and what you don't want to know. As you can see, y'all, my braids, which is my own natural hair I'm talking about, is very thin, but I still managed to put the crochet needle in through it. But that's because of the way I put it in. I first hook it and, you know, just pull it through onto the needle and then push it on. That's kind of how I do it. Instead of having, you know, the folded part pushed through my hair, that would take forever, and that usually don't work, especially when the braid is so tiny. So I hook it first and keep pulling the hair over the hook, if you understand what I mean. And if you don't really understand what I'm saying and you want like a slow down, more in-depth tutorial, detailed video on that, let me know and I will do it for you guys. So I did my hair today starting with the front, and that's for no specific reason. So when you're doing it, you could either start with the back or the front, it really doesn't matter. And something I forgot to mention, I probably would have said it at the end anyway, but each pack of hair comes with about 50. The first one I opened was 51, the other one was 50, and I think the other 2 was 50. And you could do the math, you know. I had 48 braids, I believe, and I did 4 on each of them. But I think I did the math at the end, or I already did the math in the calculation that I show you guys, so you already know how many I put in my hair. And I still had a whole pack and I think more than a half left over. Yeah, no, it wasn't more than a half. I had a whole pack and probably 12 to 15 pieces left over. Had done my hair smaller, it certainly would have taken a lot more. So it usually depends on how small or how big you do the braids and then how much you're adding onto it. So definitely keep that in mind when you're doing it. And that's one of the reasons why I did the mapping at the end, because I know a lot of times you guys want to know how much braids I have and so on and so forth, like how much braids are in a certain row, or you know, how much I have in the back, how much I have in the front, or how much I have overall in my hair. So yeah, like I said, I help y'all out real good, so I put all that information at the end for you. The only thing I don't have for you guys is how long it took me to do my entire hair. To braid the back of my hair, it took me 1 hour and a half. And after I did the back, I went to eat something, and y'all will not guess what I did after that. I went straight into my bed, wrapped up under my blanket, and took a nap because I just felt so tired. I was actually laughing at myself, like, what are you doing? And I got up like 2 hours later and went back to it, and I just lost track of the time and I lost count. But with all that, I did everything in the same day. Hair, makeup, everything, I did that all in the same day. And I started in the morning at 8:30 a.m. But I'm not really sure what time I finished in the evening, because I cooked 2 different times in that day, which means I stopped and did all that stuff and then went right back to it. That's the reason why I'm not sure how long it took me. So this is the last one I'm going to be doing on camera. I'm just going to do the rest of it off camera. But here we go, guys. I'm all done and I am so loving the hair already without makeup. Like, I really don't even need makeup. But you know, the brand, they like to have it all done with makeup. They like the pictures and stuff like that. So yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I'm always doing it. But I mean, I feel very good right now with the end result. But yeah, as usual, I'm gonna go do my makeup and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. This is the finished look, y'all, and as I turn around, y'all will see what I was talking about when I said, you know, my hair was, you know, short and sticking out, as you can see with that piece in the back right there. So the next time I do this style, which I'm definitely gonna do it again with the same hair, like I said, I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna use some synthetic braids and make it a little bit longer, because I don't want to braid the hair onto the end of my hair for some reason. I don't know, maybe I will, maybe I won't, I don't know, but we'll see when we do it. But let's get into the finished look of this hair, y'all. Look how gorgeous that hair looks on me. Look how beautiful it is, and it's so easy to manage. It's lightweighted and it's just everything perfect. Smells good, everything. I'm so happy I went with 4 instead of 3, and like I said, the reason why I did 4 is because it's a loose wave instead of curly. So I just knew that in order to get it nice and full like it is right now, I'm gonna need to put 4. And listen, I would even do 5 too. Yes, I would, because I mean, why not? Y'all, look at this. Look at what I'm doing with the hair right now, and look at that. So cute. Oh my gosh, this hairstyle is so summer ready, so beach ready, so vacation ready. It is just ready for any and everything. And again, guys, the hair is from YWIGS. You cannot go wrong with them. I've seen people on TikTok talking about them from left to right. Their hair is so good, and I can testify to that, because this is not my very first time using their hair or working with them. I've used their hair so many different times. So yeah, this is really a great human hair for these kind of style. Y'all, I did a ponytail too. Check this ponytail out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Like, when I tried the ponytail and I saw how good it looked, I just knew that I had to record this part. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, I was saying bye already, but no, we're not gone yet because this ponytail had to show. But anyway, here we go with the mapping of the hair. Okay, y'all, just pay attention and get it.